You gotta have juicy content.
That's juicy content.
It's content. Taco Bell. Don't. You're driving.
I'm driving.
Where are we going?
Pacifica.
Why are we going to Pacifica?
For Taco Bell. The nicest Taco Bell. What was it? The fanciest.
The nicest.
The nicest Taco Bell.
It's not fancy.
I'm trying to drive. I'm trying to like. Look
No, that's
around.
fine. You should. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I trust Allie.
Yeah.
I don't want to die on my birthday.
Don't die on
Oh
your
shit.
birthday.
Okay.
That looks like Tahoe with all like the pine trees and stuff. 10 minutes and you're suddenly like it's all green and ocean.
Allie's appreciating my birthday idea.
Very much.
Okay, that's good. You better. So 1 minute and then parking lot, 0.7 miles. So it should be like there.
Oh, there it is. That's it. Wow. This is the nicest Taco Bell. I've never seen a Taco Bell that's, first of all, on a beach, but it's not just on a beach. It's also by these like mountains.
All right. So what do you think so far?
I love it. This is crazy. There's fire. We'll get closer. I would come here to write. Like this is such a fun atmosphere, honestly. And like, look, there's this fireplace, which I love. I just noticed there's TVs all around. And you have windows all around, like the ocean. And this is 10 minutes from your house. It's crazy. I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
And my drink is called Mango Fiesta. It's like an iced tea flavor, I guess, called Mango Fiesta.
Nice.
Just need like a hole in the mask. How you doing?
I'm doing good, man. How are you doing? Oh man, why you gotta? This is actually what I thought
Is it?
it would be. Yeah.
You said people get married here, like at this Taco
I saw
Bell?
somebody. Yeah, there were like I saw two people that got married here. That she was in her wedding dress, and then like they had like this list of like the best ranked Taco Bells, and this was number 1 on all of them.
What are you gonna get?
Birds are like preying on me right now.
Oh.
They're like staring at me like if I leave my food alone, they are going to attack. I don't want to say that's a downside. I think that's just a fun side of the nicest Taco Bell in the world. We're talking about if you have a lot of Johnnies in a store, and how could you distinguish one Johnny from another? So they said, what if you say, like in this case, if they ask for the name, just like, oh, Johnny and Allie.
Right. Like just 2 names.
Would we be complicating their life by saying, oh yeah, name, and you're like, oh, Johnny and Allie?
Yeah. Johnny and Allie. Anyway.
Why are you smiling when I'm eating?
No, because
You all of a sudden stop talking when I start eating.
no, I didn't. I was still talking.
This doesn't focus, by the way. Just know that.
Okay.
The
It
lens.
zooms.
Oh, you know how to focus it? So, you either, if you want to like the bird look at me.
You're like Snow White, all your bird friends around.
I think it wants me to sing. I can do it.
So I started like smiling maybe because you're a very neat eater. So it's,
Allie is so nice. Even when she doesn't like someone, she's super nice.
I like everyone. I do.
Do you like everyone?
I think so.
Do you like to talk to everyone?
Yes.
Oh, so yesterday at the restaurant when you said,
Shh, shh,
I don't want to socialize.
Hey.
What was that?
Look, there's a difference.
I didn't say where.
I would enjoy to talk to each one of those people one-on-one.
We don't feel really social
But
today.
I don't know. It's like when you're when you're just trying to eat, and then like there's like a it's different to say like, all right, hold up, let's clarify. To connect with people one-on-one and to actually have a conversation is different than to like run into like one group runs into another group and has like 30 seconds of small talk. Like I don't need that, especially if I'm.
I don't need that.
Yeah, I don't
but they're
always
people
need that.
though.
That's true, but well, yeah, right. But I'm not like excited about that. Like I can turn into like a hermit for a minute.
So.
But that doesn't mean I don't feel like I can connect with each one of them one-on-one. You know what
I mean, if you had a choice and you didn't have to connect with each one, you.
I don't know.
There.
Hey.
Alright. That's what it is. I got you, man. I know what you're thinking, man. You know. No, you see, that's what I'm saying. You are a very nice person. You know?
That doesn't mean I'm always in the mood to
If
like,
Allie can evade somebody, she will. That's the thing. And I think that's, you know what, don't feel bad about that, because that's human behavior, you know? And we are kind of...
Well, one is like forcing it's like forcing a mood. But what if you're not feeling all jovial and like, you know, like hello? Like what if that's not your mood right now? If you're talking to someone one-on-one, you can more easily like actually just be as you are. You know, and not have it be like against social customs.
Uh-huh.
Like I can't always participate with the social customs, that's it. Stop. Alright.
Zoom in your face. You like to zoom on my face a lot.
Okay.
You know what? That's your style.
You have a nice face.
Thank you.
Pretty face. There it is.
She's just saying that because people say we look like each other. Sorry. You're good. I like that guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is there anyone you don't like?
I say it sometimes,
Yeah.
but no. To be honest, no. No.
Well, because it's different if you like don't like someone's behavior. You know, it doesn't mean you don't understand
Like you
it.
don't agree with something or somebody's being mean or something like that, but I don't hate that
You
person.
don't write the person
But I
off.
don't like, it's like when actions speak louder than words, or well, even words can be like shitty too, like, you know, but yeah, no, it's just that. It's just like the facts, not the people, you know.
Yeah, agreed. I'm gonna have to give you this so I can eat my burrito.
Yeah, that's right. All right, good job.
That tripod will make a difference, I think. So I kind of destroyed my burrito. You don't have to film me eat the burrito. That was not the.
Well,
Did you eat both of your tacos?
No.
No, you still have the other.
Yeah, I'm just a slow eater. So how's it going? You're a neat eater.
Oh no.
I don't know about this, guys.
He's trying to quote me. Okay.
He's trying to quote me.
He's imitating me.
What's the difference between imitating and impersonating? Or is it the same?
Impersonating sounds more kind of professional or respectful, even though they could be interchangeable. But to me, like doing an impersonation is more like you're embodying versus like imitating. It sounds almost more like mimicking. Like you're just, it's like, it feels like a shorter time.
I think also the word impersonating, maybe it just has to do with like a person or anything
Taking
related to
on the
person,
whole.
and then like an animal mimicking or imitating something. Maybe it's more related to mimicking,
Uh-oh.
imitating.
I ruined this. Hold on. I will strangle you. I'm the one who makes the burrito look like this.
She gets the bacon, egg, and cheese, and I just get the salad.
That's never true.
It's like the opposite, actually.
It's definitely not.
You had like a salad the other day. I had something else. Hey guys, you might be noticing that I look a lot thinner right now. That's because I've been working my ass off, working on all those skill requests that you guys gave me. Thank you very much to everyone that left your skill request. If you want to leave your skill request, you can leave it in this video right here, or you can leave it in the comments below. Damn, you guys are quick. I didn't even post the video yet. All right. So like I said, guys, whether it's this video or this video, let me know in the let me know in the comment section what skill requests you have. Let me know what you think about this adventure we went on, or if you have any ideas for any more. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go.